Okay, so today I just had new TPMS sensors installed in my son's wheels for his 2013 Camaro. And we're going to go through a TPMS relearn. And the first thing I like to do, if you take a screwdriver and put it in your door latch right here, it'll shut the dinger off. Just make sure that you unlatch the door before you slam it. So hopefully we got a lot of sun coming in here. Let me try to, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to turn the key on. Okay, and I'm going to cycle through. I'm going to go to, okay, there's tire pressure monitor. And then I'm going to push and hold this button right here. And that's what you're going to see. Are you sure you want to relearn? You're going to cycle up to yes. And you're going to push the button again. You're going to hear 2 honks. Okay, going to use this EL-50448. Put it right here at the TPMS. I'm going to push and hold the button. You'll hear a honk. Always start with the left front. Now I'm on the right front. Right rear. Left rear. After you do the 4th one, you'll hear 3 honks like you heard. Or was it 2? Might have been 2 honks. And it should indicate that your tire pressures. And you're done. That's how easy it is. I'll put a link to this. I got it off Amazon. They're only about $10. So you need one if you want to ever be able to reset your tire pressures. So that's about all there was to it. Again, 2013 Chevrolet Camaro with new TPMS sensors. Okay, you guys take care.